Hello everyone, I'm here to help with a common problem that gardeners face, the dreaded stink bug. Today, I'll share with you some tips on how to get rid of these pesky bugs and keep your garden pest-free. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First, let's understand why these bugs are a problem. They are infamous for their stink, which is released through their glands on their antennae and legs. This strong smell can be unbearable, especially for plants that like a clean environment, like roses and lilacs. Now, let's get to the remedies. 1. Prevention is the key. Keep your garden clean and free of debris, as this helps to prevent the stink bugs from hiding and breeding. 2. Provide a barrier. Put up barriers such as fences or shears to prevent the bugs from entering your garden. Remember to keep these barriers clean and free of any openings. 3. Use natural repellents. There are natural repellents that you can use to keep the stink bugs away from your garden. Some options include using essential oils like eucalyptus, lavender, and citronella. You can also use homemade solutions made from garlic and chili peppers. 4. Opt for organic pest control methods. If you still find yourself struggling with pests after using natural methods, consider using organic pest control methods like neem oil, insecticidal soap, or beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. 5. Harvest early. If you notice an increase in stink bugs in your garden during the harvesting season, try harvesting your plants earlier. This will make it harder for the bugs to survive and continue breeding. Remember, patience and persistence are key when dealing with stink bugs. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you'll be well on your way to a pest-free garden.